Hey guys, what's up? It's the boy Sammy. I'm so excited to be shooting this video right now. Now, there are a lot of things that had happened that had prevented me from being online. I went on to do some other stuff like do research more on the market. No, we cannot stop learning. We can keep improving. Okay. Now, when you feel like learning is ending, it's not. Forex is one thing that you are actually going to be learning all the time. You're going to, even in your own strategy, you're going to be learning new things. New things are going to be helping you stay advanced. And sometimes you'll be like, whoa, why didn't I know this all this time? Okay. Now this time, this is our channel, YouTube channel. If this is the first time of watching our video, like to subscribe, like, and leave the comment section below. Okay. Now I want to be talking about how to stay profitable. Now this is one part of forex that I started to work on, because a lot of folks are like trading forex, but they are not profitable. Okay, trading doesn't mean that you become profitable just all of a sudden. So I just wanted to research. Now the first thing is have a trading rule. Have a trading rule that if you come into the market, that's the first thing you want to see. Now let's say a trading rule. One of the trading rule is, when do you trade? Do you trade New York section or do you trade London section? Now if you're in Nigeria and you trade New York section, you want to be trading in the afternoon. So you look the time where the New York section is being released, and that's when you begin to do analysis. The next thing is, what do you want to see in the market before getting in? Those are part of your rule. What are you going to be doing if your trade is moving in your favor? And what are you going to be doing if the market goes against you? Now I advise to cut losses short. Let's say you place a trade and the market has moved 30 pips and it's against you, it's actually reversing. I'll advise you close partials, close part of the trade. Now why are you doing that? You're trying to manage your psychology also, because greed and fear are the two things that affect us in the market. Okay, if you're doing cutting your losses short, it makes you to stay confident and watch what the market does. And if the market goes against you, you are still in profit. Take for example, you are risking $100 and the market moved 30 pips, and you see something that the market is about to reverse. I advise you close partials. Now you're closing. For me, I close 99%, because if the market turn backs, I'm left with $20, $200, so I can be able to place more trade in my analysis using what I see in the market. The game is trading what you see, not just trading because you feel. A lot of traders come in with their feelings and they end up with what losses. But I prefer trading what you see is a better way to stay profitable. Now the next one is trade your plan and plan your trades. Take for example, in this month of August, I want to be taking 10 trades. Good. There is no way that 10 trades is going to be failing in a month, and it's my strategy. It's impossible for my strategy to fail 10 times. It's impossible. So what I do is, I place a trade, I calculate my risk. Let's say I say, okay, for this month I want to be losing 5% of my account. So what I do is 5% of my account divided by 20 trades. And what's my target? 1 to 10. Good. What I'm going to be doing is, if the market get 10 times of my risk, it gives me 10 times of my risk, I'm going to be closing the trade out. So that's my plan for the month. Okay, that's my plan for the trades. 10 trades. At the end of the day, I lost 4 trades and I won 6. I'm still in profit, because why? 10 trades were just giving me 0.2% loss. But what I was winning up to 10 times of my risk. That's how to stay profitable. If you want me to do this breakdown on how to plan your trades in the forex or in the market, I would like you to leave a comment in the section. Just type trading plan. I'm going to be leaving the video for it, a full course. If you comment as much, I'm going to be going into give you more and more explanation, deep details to understanding what this thing is all about, planning your trades. And last, the next one is trade your system. What is a trading system? Trading system is like trading like a robot. Now, how do I mean? When I come into the market, that's the thing I'm looking for. I have a view of it. I actually drew what I trade. I draw it out. Like one of the trades you're seeing on my screen, this is one of my strategy. I draw it out. Whenever I see it in the market, this is what I want to trade. If I don't see this, I'm not trading. And there are so many of them in the trades, okay, in my catalogs. I have them listed out there. So if I come into the market, this is what I'm looking for. If I don't see this, that means I'm out. Or what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be playing with the chart, like learning something new. But if I want to trade, this is what I trade. Now, when you, let's take for example, you program a robot to do something for you. The robot is going to be doing only what you instruct it to do. So the only way to becoming a successful trader is to actually trade what you have planned to do. Okay, in the sense that you have a system that is working for you. Okay, I think that's all for now, for guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video.